JSpiders Punjagutta. One of our students were placed in a company. Now she will introduce herself. Can you please?
Hi, my name is Shirisha NOMULA. I'm recently graduated 2024 passed out in EC History in the JB Institute in Hyderabad.
Who referred to join to this institute?
Actually, I'm an incubation student.
Oh, good. What are the technologies you learned from here?
I joined here in the end of March. I'm done with Java, SQL and HTML and CSS. I'm ongoing with JavaScript.
So from your college, did you attend any interviews?
I attended 2 to 3, but I came up to only HR manager.
So you failed in HR because of maybe your presentations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
After joining this institute, you gained the knowledge within that?
Yes, ma'am, I gained, ma'am. The presentation classes helped me a lot while explaining the technology terms and interacting with other people also. It helped me, ma'am. And grooming sessions also helped me how the interview is going to be happen. It helped me grooming session also, ma'am.
Good. And how many interviews attended from this institute?
It's 2, ma'am. It's technology one and this is second one, ma'am.
So in the second interview, you cracked. Once again, congratulations
Thank you.
and all the best for your future.